Hello everyone, and today I'll show you how to enable and disable LDAC on your Nothing Ear 8. This is gonna be useful if you want to enjoy high sound quality or save battery life. So in order to do that, open up your Nothing X application right here. Now at the top right corner, find your gear icon and find your high quality audio. So simply press it to enable. To fully enable this option, you'll need to reboot, so press reboot. Now your headphones and your application are rebooting. Alright, so we've rebooted successfully and now this option is off. So simply to turn it off, once again, open up your device settings in your Nothing X application, find this option and tap on it. Press reboot. Give it a few seconds to reboot and this option will be off. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.